Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to indent on Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to add hanging indent on Google Docs paragraphs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To indent on Google Docs. First of all, open Google Docs in your computer web browser. Once you are in Google Docs, create a new document or open an existing one. Add some paragraphs to your document if you have not already done so. There are different methods to indent text in Google Docs, but today I am going to teach you two different methods. Method 1. Using the Tab key. This is a quick and common way to indent the first line of a paragraph. For that, place your mouse cursor at the beginning of the line or paragraph you want to indent. Now, press the Tab key on your keyboard. This will indent the first line of the text by a ½ inch by default. Repeat the process if you need to indent in more places. Method 2. Using the ruler. The ruler in Google Docs allows for more precise control over indentation. First, enable the ruler if it is not already visible. For that, click on View from the top menu and select Show Ruler from the drop-down menu. Once the ruler is visible, highlight the text or place your cursor in the paragraph you want to indent. If you want to add indentations to all paragraphs, select All Paragraphs. On the ruler at the top of the page, you will see a small blue triangle and a blue rectangle. Now, click and drag the rectangle to adjust the indentation of the entire paragraph. Again, drag the top triangle to adjust the first line indentation. By using these two methods, you can format the text in Google Docs by indenting paragraphs or lines as needed.